You will never win if you never begin. Set your goals high, and don't stop till you get there. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. I don't believe you have to be better than everybody else. I believe you have to be better than you ever thought you could be. You can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. You are never too old to set another goal, or to dream a new dream. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. Perseverance is not a long race. It is many short races, one after the other. Be miserable, or motivate yourself. Whatever has to be done, it's always your choice. You just can't beat the person who never gives up. Opportunity does not knock, it presents itself when you beat down the door. A somebody was once a nobody who wanted to and did. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Either you run the day, or the day runs you. Never give up, for that is just the place and time that the tide will turn. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Things do not happen. Things are made to happen. Do you want to know who you are? Don't ask. Act. Action will delineate and define you. The ultimate aim of the ego is not to see something, but to be something. Look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Try to make sense of what you see, and wonder about what makes the universe exist. Be curious. Expect problems, and eat them for breakfast. You can't build a reputation for what you are going to do. March on, do not tarry. To go forward is to move toward perfection. March on, and fear not the thorns, or the sharp stones on life's path. Without hard work, nothing grows but weeds. Perseverance is failing 19 times, and succeeding on the 20th. Follow your inner moonlight, Don't hide the madness. You have to put one foot in front of the other and keep going. Put blinders on and plow right ahead. To begin, begin. The more complex the conflict, the more glorious the triumph. Learn from the past, set vivid, detailed goals for the future, and live in the only moment of time over which you have any control: now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new